Hi guys, I hope you're well and welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to my January favourites. So I have some really exciting ones to show you. Obviously I feel like it's been ages since I've done a favourites video because my best of 2017 I did on Instagram, which I'm going to continue to do in my monthly favourites, and eventually I might just carry on doing my monthly favourites on Instagram. But for January I just thought let's just, you know, keep it real, go back to basics and talk about my favourites here. So first of all, I'm going to talk to you about the wonder that is Glossier. I don't know where the obsession came from, but all of a sudden my Instagram feed was full of Glossier stuff. Everyone was just like Glossier, 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 no. And I could see all this pretty Instagrammable packaging. And the pop-up store came to London and I was like, I can't be spending money right now. I thought, okay, let me have a look because it looks like a very Instagrammable store, which it was. And then everybody was raving about this and I was like, okay, a bath oil, like a bath and shower oil and body moisturiser, like what's the big deal? Ultra smooth skin that smells so good, like oh my god, these two together are amazing. So I'll admit I only bought the oil first and I was just blown away and I was just like, oh my god, this is amazing. But then I was just like, what do I use as a moisturiser with this? So then I went back and I got this and these two together. Oh my god, they are the body hero. My skin is so soft and the softness lasts all day long. Tiny little bit of a glow and tiny little bit of a shimmer. They are perfect. I am loving these beyond love. Also from Glossier, this the stretch concealer. I'm also really loving that. So actually, under my eyes, it doesn't last as long as my Naked Skin Concealer from Urban Decay that I use every day. But I love the fact that it's got a little bit of a glow. It's very nice for covering blemishes because it has that little bit of a radiance effect to it. So it kind of like counteracts the darkness of blemishes when you get the dark marks. So yeah, I'm loving this. Then moving on to foundation sticks, I've done a video on foundation sticks and my obsession with them, which will be up on my YouTube channel soon if it's not already. I have been loving the Makeup Forever foundation stick, the Ultra HD foundation stick, because this is so creamy, so it's just so nice in the winter when your skin's getting a bit dry. This kind of gives you that like glow that you need in January and just the hydration that your skin needs as well. So I've been loving that. Also, I have been loving this new Urban Decay Velvetizer. I cannot explain to you how much I love this. I'm wearing it now. It just makes your skin so like velvety and just so lovely. It's so nice. It's just started to rain so much outside. Yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. It's really, really, really lightweight. Like the powder is so fine. It's loose powder. It's so fine, and you can just wear it just to kind of take away the glow, take away shine, and just set your makeup. But it's not heavy at all. It's so lightweight. I have not actually found. There's nothing else I've come across that is like this. It's just so lightweight and so lovely to set your makeup with. Then primers. You know how I'm obsessed with primers, and I do love primers a lot. But again, for the hydration, I went back to using the Smashbox Photo Finish primer, but the hydrating one, and just realised how much I love it. It just gives you kind of like a really lovely moisture boost on top of your moisturiser. So I've been loving that. Speaking of moisture boost, I've been loving beyond loving this Bobbi Brown vitamin enriched face base. Literally just love it. It smells so good. It smells like a spa. It's so hydrating. It is so lovely. And again, I feel like I keep on talking about this glow, but this gives you like a really nice underlying glow, and it's really nice base for your makeup as well. So if you didn't want to wear a primer, if you didn't want to wear a primer, then this is like such a nice, creates a lovely glowy canvas for you to apply your makeup on. For contour, I have been loving this Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Truffle. It is really, really blendable. It's like a perfect shade, and it kind of is just a lovely cream contour. I'm wearing it today. It doesn't give you like a harsh contour, but just like a nice natural looking contour. So I've been loving that too. Palette, I've been beyond obsessed. You can probably see from my Instagram feed, I've been beyond obsessed with this Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. This was my Black Friday purchase actually, because I was like, no, I'm not going to buy anything. I'm really sorry about the loud rain. God, how loud is the rain? This was £25 and I ordered it from Cult Beauty and I just really love it. I'm so glad that I did buy it because these 9 shades here are gorgeous, and I've created this look using all 9 shades, and you can see the tutorial of my channel up on my YouTube channel, and I'll link it below as well because I'm loving this makeup look. They are eyeshadows, but they're actually pressed pigment, especially the glitters. They are so lovely and really long lasting. So I've just been loving this palette. I just can't help it. I love it. And then my final favourite is an oldie but a goodie, and it is the Soap and Glory Thick and Fast Mascara. What was I using as my everyday mascara before I ran out of this? I was using the Buxom one, which I really do love, and then when that finished I had this Thick and Fast, and I just remembered how much I love it. So I've been using it every day. This is my everyday mascara and I just love it. It gives you the volume, it's very black. It gives you the definition, it's long lasting, doesn't clump off, it doesn't flake off, it doesn't go clumpy, and it also gives you length. It gives you everything you need in a mascara. It's such a great mascara. So that's the Thick and Fast mascara by Soap and Glory. There you go, that is my January favourites. I hope you've all had an amazing January and a great start to the new year. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to comment below and let me know what your favourites have been this month. I would love to know. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Snapchat. I will see you guys very soon. Bye guys!